Once upon a time, there was a kingdom, lived a smart king and a lovely queen. They didn't have a child from a very long time. Doctors tried to help them, but they couldn't find something. One day, the queen was walking in the river when she saw a unicorn stop in his lake. The unicorn tried to get his leg up. Then the queen helped. Then the unicorn begged for a wish. The unicorn said, "Thank you, my queen. What you wish for, I will grant it." The queen said she wanted a child that's pretty and smart and lovely. Not long after, the kingdom had a beautiful daughter. Then the queen and the king felt excited because they had a pretty daughter. Then the daughter grew really strong and beautiful. Her name was Selena. And the daughter didn't want to cook or garden. She wanted to be a warrior. Then her teacher was the royal commander, Roger. Then they get along from each other. Then one day, the king felt sick, and the Roger said, "My king, the villagers spotted evil man walking through the village." Then they returned to their king to destroy and conquer our land. The king said, "We have 2 soldiers left." Then we don't have enough soldiers to fight them. This is an incredible plan. You have to go to the kingdom far away. By there guarded a dragon. Many people died there. Then Roger said, "Your Majesty, I will go and my end my life." Selena heard everything. Then he go to the king and the queen and said, My king, I have to go there." Then the king said, "Prepare armor and swords and shield for her, and a golden horse." So Selena waved really sadly for her parents. Then when Selena got to the mountains, there was the deadly dragon waiting for her and burst out fire. The dragon followed her to the cave. Then Selena hid with her golden horse. She hid under a bush where the dragon landed. Then the baby dragons, 2 of them, had hurt their leg. The princess noticed that the little dragon had injured her leg. Then Selena go to the cave and brought a bouquet. She said, "I saw your baby got hurt. How can I believe someone wearing those sharp things? So I won't allow." So the dragon won't allow Selena to come to the cave. Selena didn't bring a sword and a shield, no sharp things. The dragon was confused, and she came out in the cave. Then the dragon's name was Fiona. Then the princess bandaged the dragon's little leg. The little dragon didn't feel any pain at all. At first, they went to the cave to dry. Then the next day, Selena had to leave. Selena met the king and said for him. The king not only listened to him, but planned to conquer conquer Selina's kingdom. The king said, "Now your kingdom needs help, eh? What about no?" The king laughed loudly, and Selina was really angry. Selina was locked in the prison with a huge tower on top. The kingdom and the army was set to conquer Selina's kingdom. There was no chance. Selina called for Fiona. Fiona appeared in the sky and burst into her fire. The kingdom had to surrender. Then the king was locked in the prison. Then the dragon flew in the sky with Fiona on her back. And the kingdom was filled with fire. It was only Roger standing for his majesty. When Fiona breathed fire, then Selina had to banish the soldiers. The soldiers ran away because they knew they cannot defeat Selina. The end.